Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Through Stories. Today's story is simple, but its message is powerful. Today's topic is how to stop overthinking. This story will help you learn English, and it will also help your mind feel calm. So relax, listen carefully, and learn step by step. There was a young boy named Adam. Adam lived a normal life. He went to school, he had friends, he had dreams. But Adam had one problem. Adam overthought everything. From morning till night, his mind never rested. When he woke up, his first thought was worry. When he went to sleep, his last thought was fear. If someone talked less to him, Adam thought, they are angry with me. If someone laughed near him, Adam thought, they are laughing at me. If he made a small mistake, Adam thought, I always fail. I am not good enough. His mind was full of noise. Adam was not lazy. Adam was not weak. He was just tired. Tired of thinking, tired of worrying, tired of fear. Overthinking was stealing his peace. One day, Adam failed an important exam. It was not a big failure, but for Adam, it felt huge. He went home quietly. He did not talk to anyone. That night, he could not sleep. His mind said, you are a failure. You will never succeed. Your future is dark. Adam felt scared, so he went outside for a walk. The night was silent. The road was empty. Under a big tree, he saw an old man. The old man was sitting calmly. His face looked peaceful. Adam stopped. Adam said, Sir, may I ask you something? The old man smiled and said, Yes, my son. Adam said, My mind never stops. I think too much. I feel tired all the time. The old man listened carefully. The old man picked up a small stone. He gave it to Adam and said, Hold this stone. Adam held it. The old man asked, Is it heavy? Adam said, No, it is light. The old man said, Now hold it for 10 minutes. Adam did. Then the old man said, Hold it for 1 hour. Adam understood. The old man said, The stone is not heavy, but holding it for a long time makes pain. Your thoughts are the same. Thinking is not bad, but thinking too much hurts you. Adam stayed silent. The old man said, Let me teach you how to stop overthinking. Adam listened with hope. Lesson 1. Not every thought is true. The old man said, Your mind creates stories. Most thoughts are not facts. They are just imagination. When a negative thought comes, do not believe it immediately. Ask yourself, Is this true? Do I have proof? Most of the time, the answer is no. The old man said, Thoughts are like clouds. They come and go. You are the sky. You are not the cloud. Adam felt lighter. Lesson 2. Live in the present. The old man said, Overthinking lives in the past and future. The past brings regret. The future brings fear. But peace lives in now. Focus on this moment. Focus on your breath. Focus on what you can do today.
He said, Do not ask, what if, all the time. Ask, what now? Small steps reduce big fear. Lesson 3. Stop fighting your thoughts. The old man said, The more you fight thoughts, the stronger they become. Do not fight them. Observe them. Say, I see this thought, but I will not follow it. Thoughts lose power when ignored. Adam nodded. This was new. This was helpful. Lesson 4. Be kind to yourself. The old man said, "You talk badly to yourself. You say things you would never say to a friend. Change your words. Instead of saying, 'I am useless,' say, 'I am learning.' Instead of saying, 'I always fail,' say, 'I will try again.'" Words shape thoughts. Thoughts shape life. Lesson 5. Take action. The old man said, "Overthinking stops action, and action stops overthinking." Do something small. Clean your room. Write one page. Take one step. Action brings clarity.
Lesson 6. Accept uncertainty. The old man said, "You cannot control everything. Life is uncertain, and that is okay. Stop trying to control the future. Trust yourself. You have survived many hard days. You will survive this too." Adam felt calm, not because problems ended, but because his thinking changed. The old man smiled and said, "Remember one thing. Your mind is a tool. Use it, but do not let it use you." Adam thanked the old man. Days passed. Adam practiced what he learned. When thoughts came, he noticed them. He did not panic. Slowly, the noise reduced. Adam still failed sometimes. Adam still felt scared sometimes. But now, he did not drown in thoughts. He lived. And now, let me talk to you. If you are watching this video, maybe you overthink too. Maybe your mind is tired. Remember this. You are not broken. You are just human. Before we end, if you are learning English through stories, please subscribe to this channel. Here, we grow together. Here, we learn step by step. Let me end with this line. You don't need to stop thinking. You only need to stop overthinking. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.